In this video, I'll be teaching us how to withdraw our dogs from Telegram to our Bitget account. All you need to do is to click on open, and you do so, allow it to load, and we are here. Click on deposits to exchange and click on continue. Select Bitget, click on send here. Yes, I have it, and you have to go and copy your Bitget UID. So which I'll be doing now. Just go to home, click here, and that's my ID on the bottom of it. That's been copied. That is 59 something. Then come back here, paste your Bitget UID, then go back to Bitget and go back here, click on asset, click on hard fund, then click on deposit crypto, search for dogs, and that's it to the first one. Then select the network, turn address, it's already turned, copy it here and go back to your Telegram, then paste it here and click on, make sure what you copy is correct. Now hyphen is the last one, and hyphen is the last one, then click on send, make sure it is correct, Bitget, and now there's stop here and there's no stop here, so I have to check again. As you can see, there's no stop there, or I have to recopy what I copied so that to avoid story that's touched. So I have to copy it again, then I have to paste here. As you can see, I've pasted, I have to go on send. As you can see, it is absolutely, the stop is not there, so I have to make sure what I copied is correct. See, hyphen is what last here, and hyphen is what is lasting here too. So I have to click on confirmed, and that's all. So that's how to move your fund from Dog House on Telegram to Bitget. Thank you. This is Crypto Biz Academy.